guys, Steve and Emily here. This is week 6 of our Luke Acts series, which is crazy. We're talking about Jesus heading into Jerusalem this week, so triumphal entry, and kind of the tension between him coming as king but also as savior, and how he wasn't the king that the people expected and sometimes doesn't meet our expectations either. So we'll be talking about that this week.
Sweet. For our small group activity, we'd really like students to start thinking and putting some faces to people they might share the good news of God's kingdom with. So to do that, we have this little activity. You'll find these little sheets on our resource table for you. And it just has 4 different categories from their life that they can look at and pray about, that God might give them a name of someone in their neighborhood, someone in their family, someone in their friend group, someone at their school that needs to hear about Jesus. And then from there, we want them to think of, at least 4 names for those different categories, or 1 for each of the categories. Pray about it, and then kind of sense God's leading in which of those 4 people really need to hear about Jesus this week. And so the hope is that they will really connect with one person, or really have a goal of one person on their heart from this Sunday that they want to share Jesus with this week. So it's really trying to put some hard graspers into who that might be. So graspers, I don't know if that's a word. I don't think it is. Anyway, do that. That would be great. The other thing is, our tip of the week is to cut off dominators. So sometimes I know when I'm leading a small group, I just want anyone to answer a question. Sometimes it's so hard to get them to speak, but oftentimes I find it's 1 or 2 or 3 kids that are really dominating the conversation. Well, it turns out usually all the other kids at the table, at least most of them, have an opinion about what you just said or the question you just asked. So to do your best to not just go to your go-to kids, but to try to call on other kids or work them into the rotation, you'll find that even if you can get them to share once or to answer one question, that they'll be more likely to talk the next time you answer a question. So, look for that small kid, try to put the question in a simpler form, at least get them, a yes or no, or something to get those kids interacting and talking is a really good thing. And when you ask them directly, they felt more known, included, and heard, which is really great. So do your best to cut off those dominators and include everyone.
Yeah. I think that's everything.
Nice and simple this week.
We'll see you on Sunday. Bye.